Khuborjylla Phagu Chauhan Hakashpauterik Ujimang Pynkup Burom Yiki Arpongot ki Samla National Cadet Corps NCC ki Balashimenta Haka Republic Day Parade Hanongba New Delhi Haka Arpunyo Terik Mentau Snap. Yakini kajing Pynkup Burom la pelong Raj Bhavan Shillong Hakabala Donlang u Principal Secretary Jong u Harish Chandra Chowdhury IFS Additional Director General NCC North Eastern Region u Major General Ugagandip ki kmi ki kpa ki bahing sem bat ki no hikai ni school bat college prepare ki ba kini ki Samla NCC ki pole.
Cadet Yuvraj Sonar from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Cadet Zechariah Toy from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Senior Under Officer Nasib R. Marak from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Junior Under Officer Ngamba Singha from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
Yes, sir.
Cadet Roshan Sharma from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
This one.
Cadet Ronak Gurum from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
This one.
Senior Under Officer Vivian Alexander Lindo Nomze from 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
This one.
Senior Under Officer Ibashida Limba from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC.
This one.
Corporal Amida Hunchadak from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Lance Corporal Doma Rai from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Junior Under Officer Wanda Kamonlang Lingdo from 61 Meghalaya Girls Battalion NCC. Senior Under Officer M. Jessica Com from 42 Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Senior Under Officer Peniki Lingdo Nongom from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. Junior Under Officer Zarinia Rapsang from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC. And from 2nd Meghalaya Battalion NCC.
Gentlemen.
In various capacity. All this is just an outcome. The aim which remains for us, which we have to continue to engage or the youth of Northeast, is national integration. If we are one, a country is one, a country progresses, we progress. And like the Honorable Secretary mentioned, our strength lies in Ek Bharat, because only when it is Ek Bharat, it will be Shresth Bharat. I once again congratulate each and every cadet, PI staff, ANOs, and officers of Meghalaya Shillong Group NCC for outstanding achievement throughout the year, and I extol on each one of them that once you have achieved something, next year you have to work harder to achieve more than what you have gained till then. And I'll be amiss in my duty if I don't thank all the education institutes and the principals and vice principals who are here, because it is only through their support that cadets are available to us. And let me assure the Honorable Governor and each one of you that every effort will be put in by each staff of National Cadet Corps to ensure that youth of Northeast gets a bright future. Thank you.